Today you will learn how to make a sun in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So first of all, create a new document of 1920 by 1080 pixel. Select rectangle tool and click once on the artboard. Here type the same size as artboard 1920 by 1080 pixel. Now remove the stroke to 0. Align the shape in the center horizontally and vertically. Fill the rectangle with a light blue color. Go to Object, Log, Selection. Now right click on the rectangle tool and choose Ellipse tool. Click once on the artboard and create a circle of 400 by 400 pixel. Click OK. Now fill this circle with orange color. Now create another circle but size should be 300 pixel. Click OK. Now fill this with a light orange color. Now select both and make sure the stroke is nil. Now align both shapes in the center horizontally and vertically. Now select the bigger and darker circle and go to Effect, Distort and Transform and Zigzag. This zigzag panel will appear. Increase the zigzag option to 30 plus. If you are not able to see the live preview, make sure this option is turned on. Now increase the ridges per segment to 10 or 10 plus. Make sure that smooth point is selected instead of corner. Click OK. Now go to Object, Expand Appearance. Here is our final sun shape is ready. I hope you have learned how to make a sun in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.